Everyone knows it's important to build credit, but how do you actually get started building it? Hello, Credit Builder Card. If you think back to your first apartment, there was a security deposit. Credit Builder Card is a secured credit card that requires a refundable deposit just like that apartment did. To get started, complete the easy application process and fund the $200 deposit through your debit or prepaid card to get your credit line of $200. There's no credit score requirement. Once you receive your card, make a small number of purchases each month on it. You'll receive a monthly bill for the amount you spent, and by paying that bill on time each month, you build positive credit. And while you can't use your deposit to pay your monthly bill, you will get it back when you close your card, so long as your account is paid in full. Sign up with Credit Builder Card and discover the easiest way to build credit.